In today's video, we're looking at the 26th to 40th question of our part B common entrance past question. Okay, so let's go straight to the question. We have question 26 saying that what a trader bought 100 mangoes at 20 for 30 naira. He bought 100 mangoes at 20 for 30 naira. Okay, number 26. So total mango he bought was 100. That's the total. But he bought these 100 mangoes at 20 for 30 naira. That is, each 20 mangoes cost 30 naira. So one mango from here becomes what? 30 divided by what? 20. Why? Because if 20 mangoes can cost 30 naira, one mango will cost less. So that's 30 over 20. Then for 100 mangoes, since he bought 100 mangoes, from this point now becomes what? 30 over 20 times 100. This cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 in 10, 5, 2 in 0, 0. 3 times 50 is what? 150. So it means he bought 100 mangoes at what? 150 naira. That's how much he bought 100 mangoes. If he bought 20 at what? 30 naira. Okay. He now said, and another 200 oranges at 4 for 10 naira. If he sells all the mangoes at 3 naira each, what was his gain? So we're looking at the mangoes basically. So in that case, one is for us to solve that of orange. Okay, so for mango, we just put the mathematical representation on board. If he sells all the mangoes at 3 naira each, what was his gain? It means for this second equation, if one mango equals what? 3 naira, how much would be 100 mangoes? 100 mangoes will become what? 3 times 100. That's what? 300 naira. Now this is how much he bought them. He sold them this price. What is his gain? His gain now becomes what? 300 minus what? 150. So his gain is what? 150 naira. Okay, so that's for that. Number 27 question now. Find the HCF of these numbers 8, 12, and 30. 27. HCF of these numbers 8, 12, and what? 30. Now to find the HCF, best put. This is how best we can solve it. 2 here 4, 2 here 6, 2 here 15. What else can go? Nothing else can go. So it means HCF equals what? Equals 2. As simple as that. That is a factor that can go in all these numbers here. 28 question says, find the area of a triangle, of base 5 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. Formula of area of a triangle is what? Half base times what? Height. That's 1 over 2 times the base is what? 5. Height is 4. Times 4. This can go in this 2. So my area equals what? 10 centimeter what? Square. 5 times 2 is 10. Over 1 is still 10. Okay, so the area is what? 10 centimeter what? Square. Because we're given in centimeter. Okay, number 29 question. 29 question says, if 38n equals 266, what is the value of n? If 38n equals 266, value of n is what? Divide both by what? 38. Okay, this cancels this. We can say 2 here, this is 19. 2 here as 133. Okay, then we have 19 here. So you can sort that out and get the answer. So whatever you get as the answer here, that represents the values of your n. So n now becomes this 13, 133 over 19. Number 30 question. It says that what is 3 over 8 of 96? Now 3 over 8 of 96 means 3 over 8 times what? 96. Literally over what? Over 1. Okay, so I will say that 4 here is 2. 4 in 9 is 2. 4 in 1. 4 in 16 is what? 4. 2 here 1. 2 here 12. So 3 over 8 of 96 becomes what? 3 times 12, which is what? 36. And this is my what? Answer. Number 31 question says, find value of 101 plus 98 plus 3014 plus 5. So let me arrange it like this. 3014 plus 101 plus 98 plus what? 5. What would this be? Now this is 4, 5, 13, 18. 8 remainder 1, 2, 2, 11. This is still 11. 1 remainder 1, 1, 2, that's 2, no remainder 3. So this is the answer. 3, 2, 1, 8. Okay, so I just to add in this case then. There's 2 questions says, how many mangoes costing 8 kobo can you buy with 2 naira? How many mangoes costing 8 kobo can you buy with what? 2 naira. Okay, now let's see. If a mango costs 1 mango equals 8 kobo, 2 naira will cost, how many mango will cost 2 naira? That is the question. First, convert this to kobo. To convert to kobo becomes what? 2 times what? 100. So let's try it again. I'm going to have what? 1 equals 8 kobo. X equals what? 2 times 100 is what? 200 what? Kobo. From this last expression. So in kobo, I have 2 kobo to be the same thing as what? 2 naira, I mean, to be the same thing as what? 200 kobo. Now, in which case, since this will be more, or since this is more, it means I'm going to have it as what? 8 times x equals 200 times 1. 8x equals what? 200 over 8 over 8. This cancels out. 8 here 1. 8 in 20. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 in 40 is 5. So my x equals what? 25. So it means 25 mangoes cost what? 2 naira, or equivalently 200 kobo. Okay, that's that. What are we now? Number 33. Supply the next number in the following series. We have xx, which is 20, xxx 30, xx xl, which is 40, l, which is 50. Next one is what? Lx, which is what? 60. So that is the answer to that one. Okay, so let's see the next question, number 34 now. Find the simple interest if 720, on 720 naira at 2.5% for 4 years. Simple interest formula is what? SI equals what? PRT over 100. Okay, so this is equals to P there is what? 720 times R there is what? 2.5, that's 5 over 2 times time there is what? 4. Okay, so I can see this is 1, this is 2. Okay, all over what? 100. Okay, so in this case what happens? I can say this removes one of this. What am I left with? I'm left with 5 times this is 10. So this can cancel this also. My answer should be 72. So SI equals what? 72 what? naira if I did the calculation well. Okay, so number 35 question says what? John, Ayo and Bako shared 300 naira in the ratio 2:2:1. How much does Ayo get? So John, Ayo, Bako. 35. John ratio Ayo ratio what? Bako. 2:2:1. They shared 300 naira. Okay, so in which case what happens? Ayo's share is going to be 2. 2 over what? 2 plus 2 plus 1 times 300. So that's 2 over 5 times 300, which gives me what? This is 60 as 120 naira. So it means Ayo's share is what? 120 naira. 37 question says write this correct to 3 decimal place. We have 3.0618. 3 decimal place means the number from number immediately after the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. So you are going to round up once. That's 3.062 to 3 dp. As simple as that. 38. The average of 3 numbers is 25. 2 of them are this and this respectively. Find the third number. Average of 3 numbers. Let the 3 numbers be A, B, and C. So that's A plus B plus C over 3 equals what? 25. Because they said it is what? 25. 2 of them are 45 and 16 respectively. Let's say the first 2 as 45 plus what? 16. C is not known in that case then. Over 3 equals 25. How will I get C? Very simple. This plus this is what? That's 61 plus C equals, this is over 1, plus multiply, equals 25 times what? 3. Okay, so 61 plus C equals what? 3 times 5 is 15, minus 1, 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. C is equals to what? 75 minus what? 61. So C is equals to what? 14. Number 39 question. 39 question says what? Subtract this from this. It means 3210 minus 1235. Okay, so we have what? 3210 minus what? 1235. In this case, below 1 for me, I have 0. This becomes 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. From here, below 1, this becomes 1. Add 1, that's 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. From this, below 1, this becomes 2. This becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So my answer is what? 1975. Then, number 40 question. It says what? What is the product of 1001 and what? 13? 40 question. 1001 and what? 13. Very simple. This is 3 times 1, 3. Sorry, this 3. 3 times 0, 0 times 0, 0 times 1, 3. 1 times 1, 1 times 0, 0 times 0, 0 times 1, 1. I'm adding 3, 1, 0, 3, 1. So my answer is 13013. As simple as that.